Welcome to AmeenAcademy.com. Let us do Tamil Nadu SSLC Math Textbook Unit Exercise 4, question number 7. A man whose eye level is 2 meter above the ground level wishes to find the height of the tree. He places a mirror horizontally on the ground 20 meter from the tree and finds that if he stands at a point C, which is 4 meter from the mirror B, he can see the reflection of the top of the tree. How height is the tree? Here, this eye level is 2 meter and he put the wishes to hide the tree. He places a mirror horizontally on the ground 20 meter from the tree. Here the tree is h meter. He places a mirror at 20 meter from the base of the tree. This is this is a 20 meter point B and A here. See, eye level is 2 meter. Eye level is 2 meter. Height of the tree is h meter, and the ray meeting point at F. Now this is x, and the 4 meter indicates here stands at a point C, which is 4 meter from the mirror. 4 meter from the mirror. So now here from the triangle ACD, triangle A triangle ACD and BC, ACD and BCF. This triangle and big triangle is similar. From triangle ACD and triangle BCF, we can say the ratio AC over BF AC AC over ACD AC over BF equal AD over BF. Yeah, AD over BF equal AC over BC. AC over BC. Here we'll put the values for each sizes. AD equal H and BF is X equal AC is 24, that is 20 plus 4 over X is BC is 4. Now let us write the relation now. H and X. H over X equal 24 by 4, which is 6. Therefore H equal 6x, equation 1. From triangle ACE and this side, that is ACE and ABF. ACE and triangle ABF both are similar. We can write, similarly you can write 2 over, that is easy, 2 over x equal 20 plus 4, 24, 24 over 20, which gives 2 over x equal 24 over 20. Therefore, we can write 2 over x equal 24 is 4 6 are 24 and 4 5s are 20, which gives the relation 6x equal 10 to, therefore height of the tree equal h, already h is 6x, here both are from 1 and 2, h equal to 6x, here 6x equal to 10, therefore we can write h equal to 10, h equal to 10 meter. Height of the tree is 10 meter now. Next question, an emu which is 8 feet tall is standing at the foot of the pillar which is 30 feet, the foot is pillar is 30 feet height. He walks away from the pillar. The shadow of the emu falls beyond emu. What is the relation between the length of shadow and the distance from the emu to the pillar? Now, question number 8. Now, look, this is a pillar. Here, 30 feet pillar, and here the emu is there. Here the emu height is 8 feet. Now, let the points name here O, C, B, and AD. From basic proportionality theorem, from BPT, basic proportional theorem, OA by OB, OA by OB equal AD by BC. Now, let it be height is x, OA is x, right? This is AB is y. Now we can say instead of OA, we can write x over OB is x plus y equal AD is 8 feet, BC is 30 feet. Now taking a reciprocating both, by reciprocating the relation, we can say x plus y over x equal 30 over 8. So distribute x for both, that is x by x is 1, y over x equal 30 over 8 is 15 over 4, y over x equal 15 over 4 minus 1, y over x equal 4 is an LCM, 15, 4 into 1 is 4, 15 minus 4 is 11. Therefore, x is nothing but reciprocal 4 over 11 y. That means we have that x is a shadow, therefore you can say shadow is 4 by 11 of distance. We have to prove the shadow at the distance from the emu to the pillar. emu to the pillar emu to the pillar is y. So the relation is the length of shadow, that is length of shadow of the emu, that is x, is related to 4 over 11th of distance between pillar to emu. We have done. Please subscribe our YouTube channel.